10 Fact of being success in life. 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Define what success means to you and set specific, measurable and attainable goals to reach it. 2. Develop a strong work ethic. Success requires hard work, dedication, and a strong commitment to your goals. 3. Build and maintain positive relationships. Successful people surround themselves with supportive and encouraging friends, family, and colleagues. 4. Stay focused and disciplined. Stay focused on your goals, prioritize your tasks and avoid distractions that can take you off track. 5. Seek out opportunities for growth and learning. Continuous learning and self-development are crucial for success in life. 6. Practice resilience. Success requires perseverance and the ability to bounce back from setbacks and failures. 7. Be proactive and take calculated risks. Successful people are willing to take risks and seize opportunities that come their way. 8. Maintain a positive attitude and outlook. A positive attitude and outlook can help you overcome challenges and achieve success. 9. Develop good time management skills. Being able to effectively manage your time can help you stay organized, focused, and productive. 10. Give back and help others. Successful people understand the importance of giving back and helping others, and they often find that their own success has increased as a result.